Hey everyone, welcome back. So today we are going to talk about one of the most exciting update in the world of AI right now. DeepSeek just released a brand new model called R10528 and it's a big deal. This new model is a huge step forward for the open source AI. It has around 671 billion parameters which make it one of the largest public model out there. But what really matters is not just the size, it what the model can do. R10528 is focused on reasoning. That means it can really good at solving math problems, writing code, and thinking through complex logic. The stuff most models still struggles with. Now let's talk about how it's work. So DeepSeek R10528 is built on powerful system called mixture of experts. So basically, instead of having a one giant brain that does everything, it has a group of small expert brains, each of focus on different tasks. This setup make the model more efficient and smarter when it's come to specializing topic. It also use a new type of attention system called multi-head latent attention, which help it understand longer input and make better decisions. And speaking of long input, this model can handle up to 1,28,000 tokens in one go. That's a massive context window. It's mean it can understand long documents, full conversation, or a big chunk of code without missing a beat. The training process was also very advanced. DeepSeek did not just train the model once and call it a day. They fine-tune it using special optimization trick that help the model become more accurate and better at reasoning. They even created a smaller version by teaching it the same reasoning step, and the smaller models still outperform many much larger models. It's sign that DeepSeek is on to something big with with their training method. One of the coolest thing about this release is how practical this model is. It's now support JSON output, which is super useful for developers. It can also handle function callings, make it easier to plug into real world app and tools. Whether you are building a chatbot, a coding assistant, or an automated system, this model is ready to go. And here is something a lot of us care about: hallucination reduction. R10528 is much better at sticking to the fact and avoiding made up answer that make it more reliable for the things like research, documentation, and anything where accuracy matters. And the best part, DeepSeek made this model open source. You can try it now on their website, chat.deepseek.com. You can also download the weights from huggingface.com or use it through the GitHub models. They made it super easy to access with and experiment with. So, to wrap up this, DeepSeek R10528 is a huge leap forward for the open source AI. It's smart, it's reliable, and it's available for everyone to use. Whether you are a developer, researcher, or just curious where AI is heading, this model is worth checking out. So thanks for watching. If you want to see more videos like this or a video where I am testing out R10528 on something special, drop a comment below and don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more updates like this, and I will see you in the next one.